In this video, I'll show you multiple solutions on how to fix your Honda CRV 2017 to 2022 if all the warning lights are turned on. So let's start with the first solution. It's very easy. First of all, make sure your car is off before starting. Turn on the car by pressing 2 times on the push start button. Do not put your foot on the brake pedal. We want to turn the car on in accessory mode. Then you'll need to push and keep your finger pressed on the power radio button, the volume knob button. Well, push on it until you see a message appearing on the screen asking you if you want to reboot or not. Then select yes, and the system will reboot. It usually takes around 15 seconds. Be patient, don't touch anything. And once it has rebooted, put your foot on the brake pedal, push the start button, power on the car, and start driving. At least 15 minutes. The lights should turn off by themselves. Another solution I found out on a forum here is somebody who said that they solved this issue simply by driving at least 15 minutes after going to the dealer, because sometimes the 12-volt battery gets discharged, and by driving you simply recharge it using your alternator. So it's important, even if your car didn't stay parked during too long, go ahead, drive your CRV at least 15 minutes and the lights should turn off after doing that. After researching on this subject, I found out that some people had success by disconnecting the 12-volt battery located under the hood. You also can clean the connectors, the positive and the negative, and then connect them back on the 12-volt battery. Take your car, drive it 15 minutes, and the lights should disappear. Many people had success with this technique, and hopefully you will as well. If after doing everything you still have those lights in your dash cluster, I suggest you test your 12-volt battery. Even if you have installed it recently, test it to see and make sure that it's not the problem. Another solution obviously is to visit your Honda dealership if nothing solved your problem. It's not safe to drive with those lights turned on all the time. There's a chance that there are service bulletins that need to be applied to your car. For example, some people had success with this service bulletin. It fixed the car draining your 12-volt battery, causing the lights to appear on your dash. There may be other service bulletins I'm not aware of, so yeah, it's a good idea to visit your dealership. Surprisingly, I also found out that some people fixed this issue by replacing the fuel injectors. That's what the dealer said to them, and they did it, and they stopped having those lights in the dash. Some of them had this job done under warranty, some of them paid out of their pocket. It's a very costly job, so I suggest you get multiple opinions before taking a decision. If one of these solutions worked for you, or maybe you have another one, please type a comment down below. I'm sure many people will be very grateful to read your solution or just to know that one of these solutions fixed your issue. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.